Fujian New Yinjia Pump Co., Limited. Located in Fuan City, East Fujian, China's renowned city of electric machinery and appliances, we've been dedicated since 2015 to researching, manufacturing, and distributing high-quality pumps and motors for global customers. Our 66,000 mi modern standard factory is equipped with industry-leading production and testing facilities, enabling full process, self-controlled, efficient manufacturing. The facility features 5 standardized workshops, 100+ advanced CNC machining centers, 4 specialized core manufacturing hubs, world-class induction motor rotor aluminum die casting center, domestically leading stator and rotor high-speed stamping center, semi-automated stator winding center, precision shaft processing center. From casting and machining to rotor die casting, motor winding, assembly, and final delivery inspection. Every production step undergoes rigorous multi-stage quality control to ensure reliability and performance. Currently, the company is with 12 expert-level electromechanical engineers team, achieving 8 international patents, including 2 Chinese invention patents, 1 U.S. invention patent, and 1 Japanese invention patent, covering key technologies in high-efficiency and ultra-high-efficiency asynchronous motors. These technological achievements cover key areas such as motor efficiency improvement, structural optimization, and material application, providing a solid foundation for the international competitiveness of its products. Adhering to lean production and comprehensive quality, divided by environmental management systems. All products meet international certifications and ISO 9001-2015 standards. Backed by 150 skilled professionals and multiple invention divided by utility model patents, we proudly deliver 600,000+ sets of pumps and motors annually, each backed by a 2-year quality warranty, a testament to our confidence in excellence. Our sales network has spread across Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia, and we've received high praise from customers everywhere. People at Yinjia always adhere to our enterprise spirit of integrity, innovation, beyond. We're committed to achieving our brand developing strategy, which focuses on cultural cohesion brand, effective develop brand, science and technology improved brand, and win-win sharing brand. Dear customers and friends, we sincerely invite you to visit us and look forward to building lasting success together.